Hey, it's Steph with Hot Mess Consulting, and today I am going to take you through how to add a collaboration page to your website. Any questions you have, just post them below, and I will hop on and answer them at a later time. It's really great to have a collaboration page, just so that way when people are inquiring about working with your boutique, you can just send them to one page, and it's a lot easier to add a page than it sounds. So head on over to your Shopify site, and first things first, we're going to add a new page. So add page, and you can title it whatever you want. I'm just going to title it collaboration. And then you can put whatever you want above it. So you can just put looking to collaborate with us. We'd love to hear from you. You can keep it just as simple as that. And then what you're going to want to do is come over to where it says template and change it to page.contact. What that's going to do is make it a really simple contact form. Save your page. And then when you view the page, what you're going to see is an extremely simple form. It's going to ask for their name, email, phone number, and a message. The only required field though is the email. So if you're looking for something specific from them, it's not going to require them to give you any additional information. And just so you know, whoever sends in information through this form right here is going to go to whatever email you have as your customer email. How you can find that is going to your settings in your Shopify store, general, and right here it says customer email. So anybody who goes in through that very generic inquiry form, this is where that email is going to go. So if you want it to go somewhere else, make sure you edit it here. So if you're looking for something more specific from them as to information about them or about the collaboration, what you can do is you can embed a form. I like this form builder app. So you go to visit the Shopify App Store, search form builder, and then install it. It's extremely simple to do. So you're just going to search for it right here. And once you find it, I'm just going to click this one for now to show you. You add the app and go forward from there. And then you'll find that right here under apps in your Shopify store. So open the form builder app. It takes a minute to load sometimes. And you're going to start by creating a new form. Again, they have a bunch of different templates already. So there's a blank form so you can build your own, a contact us form, RSVP, sales lead form. So there's a lot of different other functions you can use with this app. I'm going to do contact us, and I'm going to build off of that. Maybe. There we go. So you're going to want to give your form a name. I'm just going to call it Collab Inquiry. Notification email address would just be whatever email you want it to go to. So it can go to the same email that the other one went to. It could go to, if you have somebody who manages those inquiries for you, it can go directly to them. And then this is kind of a preview of the form. So really that's all you need to put in there. There are additional things you can put to track, but really that's all you necessarily need. So then for contact form settings, it doesn't have to be contact us. It could be collab with us or something that's more on brand for you guys. You can play around with the heading, the font color, if you want it to have a background, anything along those lines. So you can customize it. It can even be centered. And you can add an image if you want to go ahead and throw in some type of header. And then a description. Same thing. Looking to collab with us. We'd love to hear from you. If there's a certain amount of time or some type of procedure, you'll hear back within 48 hours, or whatever it may be. All that important information goes right there. And then your submit button doesn't even have to say submit. It can, again, just be let's chat, or whatever sounds on brand to you. Then we're going to go to the elements. So this is where you're going to input all of the information you want to know from them. Do you need their first and last name? Do you just want their first name? Required field. And then, so make sure anything that you definitely want to make or want to get from them is a required field. Email address, a drop down, paragraph text. So this could be describe how you would promote our products. You can add in single line text, paragraph text, drop downs. You can ask questions. You can have them upload a file. So if there's something super specific, you know, maybe upload a pic or whatever you think would go there. For the single line text, it could be drop your Insta handle below. You can really get as detailed or as simplistic as you want. And then once you're done with that, you're just gonna publish your form to the app. And you're gonna go back to, oops. Okay, so when you go to Form Builder, you're gonna go to My Current Forms, and you're gonna see this short code here for collab inquiry. Copy that code, and then you're gonna head back to your collaboration page. Now we're going to delete this part, and we're going to change the template back to just a generic page. This button right here says Show HTML. Click that. That is where you're going to input your code that you just copied. Go back and hit Save. So now when we view our page, our collaboration form is right there. Already embedded, again, as long as you want or as short as you want. So anyway, so then we're going to add this page to our menu. So you're going to go to navigation, and whatever menu you want it on, if you want it on your main menu, right up top, which is where I would suggest it if it's definitely something that you want to focus on. Collab with us. So give it a title, and then you're going to link to a page, and it's going to give you the page collaboration, and you're going to add it. Make sure that you save the menu, otherwise it's not going to show up. You can add it to every menu if you'd like. Same thing. Collab with us. Page. Collaboration. Add. Save it. That's the biggest thing. If you don't save it, it's not going to be there. So when you look at your site, it's right up there in the main menu, collab with us, and then there is your form. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below, and thank you.